Part 3 on first looking into Chapman's Homer. Here's the text. Much have I travelled in the realms of gold, and many goodly states and kingdoms seen. Round many western islands have I been, which bards in fealty to Apollo hold. Oft of one wide expanse had I been told, that deep-browed Homer ruled as his demesnes. Yet did I never breathe its pure serene, till I heard Chapman speak out loud and bold. Then I felt like some watcher of the skies, when a new planet swims into his ken, or like stout Cortez, when with eagle eyes he stared at the Pacific, and all his men looked at each other with a wild surmise, silent upon a peak in Darien. So you get it? As I read the poem, you must have noticed the division of 8 plus 6 lines. The poet begins by saying that he has traveled into the realms of gold. Realms is palaces. He has, what is gold for him? It is the books that he has read. That means he has widely read. Much have I travelled in the realms of gold, and many goodly states and kingdoms seen. He has seen many things. He has read about a lot of the states of the world. Round many western islands have I been, which bards in fealty to Apollo hold. And he has also read a lot, he has been told a lot about Greek writings. Oft of one wide expanse I have been told, that deep-browed Homer ruled as his demesnes. Homer as a writer, Homer was not a ruler, but Homer as a writer, as an epic writer, wrote a lot. So he ruled this kingdom. Demesnes is this domain, this kingdom, and he was deep browed. If you have a deep brow, that means you are more widely read, more intelligent, more clever. Yet did I never breathe its pure serene till I heard Chapman speak out loud and bold. Keats says that he had heard a lot, he knew a lot, he had read a lot about Greek writings, but that was not sufficient enough, till he read Chapman's translation of Homer. Then, in the last 6 lines, he describes his experience. Then I felt like some watcher of the skies. Suddenly, he felt that he had become the watcher of the skies. What could he see? He could see a new planet swim into his ken. While looking from his telescope, he could see a new planet swim across his ken. That is what he felt like after he read Chapman's translation of Homer. Or like stout Cortez, when with eagle eyes he stared at the Pacific, and all his men looked at each other with wild surmise, silent upon a peak in Darien. Cortez is believed to be the conqueror of Mexico. So Keats gives this allusion. He says that he felt like the stout Cortez who who kept on gazing at the Pacific till he and his men could, from a peak at the isthmus, at the Darien peak, uh, it's a small strip of land. between two stretches of water that um, he could see that piece of land. So he is believed to be the conqueror, he is believed to be the conqueror or the discoverer of Mexico.